My stomach ache.
Hey, Marli. What happened to you, Marli?
You know what? I cannot walk.
Why?
I'm hungry.
Did you not have your breakfast this morning?
No.
Or maybe lunch?
Not yet. I
So,
don't know what to do, what to cook.
so if you're thinking about looking for some food, I was planning to looking for some moringa. Do you want to come and harvest the moringa and then we cook it together so we can eat it? And then we find the solutions for your hungry problem.
That sounds good.
Yes? If you want to go, let's go. Yes. Come on, follow me. This is the moringa tree. So this is the one that we will harvest today. In Indonesia, we call this tree kelor. So this one is very common vegetable in Indonesia. So we only harvest the leaf. You can use the fruits too, but people prefer the leaf. So how to harvest? Just find the leaf that looks green. If you see the yellow one, we just leave it be. And nowadays, people already turn the leaf into a powder. And people say this is contains lots of nutrition. So people consider this one as a superfood already. Let's go and harvest some.
Yay!
Hey, so I put one already.
The green one
Yes,
only.
remember the green one only, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, get it. Okay, one more and okay, Marli, I think we have
enough.
So let's move and
Cook it.
cook it. Oh yeah, Marli, I forget. Before we cook this one, we need the spices, which is
Chili.
the one that Indonesian people never miss.
Yeah.
Chili. One. Spicy. Spicy. So everybody, we're in the kitchen now. We're about to cook the moringa that we just harvest. But here we have few ingredients that we will use. First, we have coconut oil, garlic, and shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use a onion. Indonesian, we always have chili. Additional part, corn. We also have two complement powder over here. We have chili powder and then turmeric powder. So what we'll do, basically we'll just need to take the leaves out from the moringa. I believe Marli can help me to do it. And then also, oh, magic! We have the one that already done. Nice. And also the corn. Do it.
We have got it.
Oh, another magic.
Yeah.
Nice. So basically the thing that we will do now is just to cut the garlic and shallots. So for you guys back at home, if you don't know how to use knife, maybe you can ask your mom to do it. Or if you know how to use knife, do it properly. First is we will chop the chili and not chili, the garlic and the shallots. First we start with garlic. We just need to do it small, please. Maybe we can use 3 or 4 pieces of garlic. Yeah, so maybe you can hit the oil first. Same amount of shallots. 3 pieces. Wow, the knife is very sharp.
Be careful.
Yes. Yeah, please be careful with your fingers when you cut the shallots and the garlic. So how many chili do you want?
Maybe 4?
4? You
Yeah.
sure?
Sure.
Okay, good. So 4 chili, same. You just need to cut them up. If you want to make them small, you can do. If you want to make them pretty big, you can do. And make sure you not use the stem part, yeah? Just the chili. Hey, I think I'm done, Marli. So you can. Is that hot already? If it's hot, I think it's ready to go.
Okay.
Yeah. So turn brownish, golden brownish with the fire.
So
You can tell by the smell too.
Okay. So just about 3 minutes so far.
Yes.
I can smell that.
But you know what? Cooking is a very basic life skill. So make sure even though you can only cook like egg, at least you learn how to cook something else. Because this is very basic skills for you. Remember that. So it prevents you from getting hungry.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, dig a little bit more. And after that, we're ready to put the corn in.
So is it good like this?
It's pretty much good. So,
Okay.
Geronimo!
Yay!
Hey, sweet corn.
Looks so yummy.
Yeah.
I cannot wait.
So maybe we can use small fire a bit so that thing will not get burned too easily. And next is the
Moringa.
moringa. When you see this already start to
Getting
getting a little bit yellow, and then you think it's ready, so the moringa will jump in.
Wow.
Whew.
One bowl of moringa.
One bowl of moringa, and then after that, don't forget the seasoning. If you like salty stuff, you can put pretty much salt on it. So I just use half teaspoon of salt, another half spoon of garlic, the turmeric
Turmeric.
powder.
So this turmeric to make the colors for it.
Yes, and also give the smells and taste. So this is like 3 in 1: smell, taste, and color.
Wow, amazing.
And don't forget, last part, if you want this more hot and spicy, hey, 1 spoon of the chili powder.
Yay! I love chili.
If you don't do spicy stuff, maybe you can put less. More.
Wow, so colorful. Red, yellow, and green.
Looks
a
like traffic
rainbow.
light, eh?
Yeah.
I think it's done. So you can turn off. So you can prepare the plate.
So just be careful.
Yes, be careful when you put it in. You know why? Because it's hot. And moringa and corn ready to serve. Ready to go to
My belly.
yes, and to the table. So this is it. The moringa and corn. For you that back at home, you can try to make one. Make it simple and stay healthy, stay safe, stay home and cook.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, no more hungry. Hey!
No more hungry.
Okay. So, how long have you been playing this?
I don't know, it's quite a while now.
Like since you were 5?
No, even I didn't know. I was.
Guys, you know, Wi-Fi just helped me to make this moringa. So yummy. It is superfood.
What do you mean superfood? Is like do I have a superpower like Superman?
Yeah.
It has a lot of nutrients, you know. And before this, because I'm hungry, I cannot walk. Now I can walk because I can eat. I eat this one. So yummy. Wanna try? Come on, try. It's so yummy.
Okay, wait,
Spicy thing. Stop with the uno.
Where is the rice?
Yeah, man. I cannot eat like.
Without rice. Sorry, I think I need to go to the rice field to find my rice.
You say rice?
Yeah, rice. Come on.
So,
Bye.
rice,
Marli,
and then
enjoy.
we're gonna
You're
go back to that.
It's good, guys.